Hey yo guys, it's Rewind.
As with YouTube, we gotta have a rewind. So Zah, what's your most memorable 2022 moment?
I think the most memorable moment for me is meeting up with the fans in person at the National Bikers Weekend. What about you?
I think for me it was hitting 10k subscribers on YouTube. Yeah, that is memorable for me. So anyway guys, here's a look back at 2022.
Sir, honourable members on both sides of the aisle have expressed concern about the high motorcycle COE prices.
No, we're not doing that sort of rewind. This is Tambak Rewind! So the first question.
How do you... Now we start the first question. I thought already done. 5 minutes again. Okay. First,
Because I know you talk too much.
Uno, first question. Yeah, let's go.
So Is, I just want to ask you first and foremost, how come your content suddenly from motorcycle to hantu?
This is not an inspiration video, guys.
Oh my god! She pulled the officer shirt. So what are you going to do with the Breakout bowl?
Of course, I use for myself lah kan.
No. Nervous gila, semua tengokkan aku. So as you guys can see in the title, I quit my full-time job to do YouTube.
I have the fish and chip and a bottle of water. The British bike, British food, British bottle of water.
We can unwin them. Thank you so much.
From the 1st of April 2022, all fully vaccinated travelers from any country or region will be allowed to enter Singapore quarantine-free.
It's finally time to cross, guys. Thank God my passport is still valid. Kasih tuan. We have cleared nation immigration finally in Malaysia. Oh my God! We're gonna discuss about what to look out for, when you're buying a motorcycle. Then he's reviewed hundreds of bikes. Specifically, how many?
Each year, I think there's about 25 new bikes that I get to test. Wow! I was calculating this morning. It's probably around the range of about 300 to 400 around.
Guys, are you guys okay?
I'm not sure. My bike suddenly stalled on me.
Are you guys Fahan and Zah, right? You guys review bikes?
Yes, that's right. We are Fahan and Zah.
Go! Alamak! Tak payah jauh.
Okay, zip zip.
Oh, zip first.
Zip. Just spray. Just aim wherever lah.
Just spray.
I spray
at the drain, okay?
Drain.
Dah macam like Ghostbusters, ah?
Why you all went crazy?
Sherman is my number one fan. Marry me, Sherman!
How you feel?
Very happy.
Aku stop aku ikon bermotor aku viral di sana aku yang dipanggil Topeng.
What's your dream bike and why? Ui.
Dream
Dream ah.
kak.
What do you usually do at the stoplight?
I just do nothing.
Do nothing. You just stare into blank space.
Just wait for the light to turn green now.
Power lah, bro. He rev and then after that he push the bike out. At the same time, we remember what we have lost. For me, it was my uncle and aunt. They took care of me and raised me. They're like parents to me. and my uncle especially, who encouraged me to do YouTube and make a living out of it. Zak, hey, nice bike. Nice bike, huh? I miss you, man. How are you?
Thank you for coming so early. I appreciate the participation and I apologize if this is a bit too early.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again.
Good company, everybody is not anal about things, everybody is easygoing.
It's been a long 14 hours on the road, you know. We encountered some adversaries along the way. Overall, I feel that it's an awesome ride. On behalf of myself and Zah, it's been a blast. Hopefully you enjoy the vlog. We will see you guys in the next one. We will see you guys in the next one. We'll see you guys in the next one.
We will see you the next one.
Hey, that one my line lah. Wow, Zah, 2022 is awesome, sir. So, speaking of that, what do you look forward for in 2023?
Hopefully, I'll be able to organize more rides and meet up with the fans and also bring in the big names to recognize us and help us move forward in the future.
And speaking of that, we would like to thank all the fans, the sponsors, everybody who has been throughout this journey of us in 2022 lah. I think it's safe to say that 2022 has been an awesome year for us, and we really look forward to collaborating and bringing you guys more fresh motorcycle related content here for you guys lah. So yeah, anything else you want to say?
I don't have anything much to say, but I just want to wish everyone at home and who's watching this video a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year and season's greetings also lah. We will see you guys in the next one.
Give me all of your lies, 'cause you're my demon.